In this video, we will show you how to use a pressurized meter dose inhaler or PMDI with a dose counter. This is a PMDI pack. It contains a pressurized meter dose inhaler with the dose counter and a patient information leaflet. You should always refer the patient information leaflet before using the inhaler. Different parts of a PMDI: mouthpiece cap, mouthpiece, canister, actuator, dose counter. The dose counter counts the number of doses in the inhaler. Let us see how to read the dose counter. Dose counter shows the number
120,
indicating the number of puffs in the inhaler. As you use the inhaler, the dose counter will count down at an interval of 20. When there are 40 puffs remaining, the color on the dose counter will change from green to red. This indicates fewer doses are remaining in the inhaler and the patient should consider getting a new inhaler. When the dose counter displays 0, it means there is no more medicine left in the inhaler and the inhaler should be discarded. The inhaler may not feel empty and may continue to operate, but it will not deliver the right amount of medicine if used beyond 0. If you are using the inhaler for the first time or have not used your inhaler for more than a week, remove the cap from the mouthpiece and make sure that the mouthpiece is clean. Hold the inhaler away from your face. Shake it well and release 2 puffs into the air. Now your PMDI is ready to use. Instructions to use your PMDI: sit or stand upright. Remove the mouthpiece cap and shake the inhaler well. Hold the inhaler upright with your thumb below the base of the mouthpiece and 1 or 2 fingers on top of the canister. Breathe out fully through your mouth. Place the mouthpiece in your mouth between your teeth and close your lips firmly around it. Do not bite it. Now, start breathing in slowly through your mouth. As you are breathing in, press down the canister to release 1 puff while continuing to breathe in slowly and deeply. Remove the inhaler from your mouth. Hold your breath for about 10 seconds or for as long as it's comfortable. And then breathe out normally. If another puff is required, wait for at least 1 minute and then repeat these steps again. After use, replace the mouthpiece cap firmly. Special instructions: after taking each dose, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. In case of difficulty in using the inhaler correctly, you may use it along with the spacer. Clean the PMDI at least once a week. For more information, refer to the patient information leaflet provided with the PMDI pack. Do not tamper or change the number on the dose counter.